my beautiful students. How are you? I guess you are doing well. You are preparing well for your upcoming examination. So this moment your FA2 examination is knocking the door, right? So here I am going to help you out by providing some most expected question that you are going to face in your FA2 examination. Let me tell you a secret, it's going to be a paper leak. So here you are having 4 chapters: aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. Second chapter is chemical kinetics, third one amines, and final one the biomolecules. So I will give you the questions, the list of questions here in this video, and if you want to know the full answers along with the tips, tricks and the concepts related to this question, you definitely have to watch the full video. There only I discussed all probable MCQs, some numerical problems and whatever the relevant to it. Here I will give you some direct question, right? Some questions are there, no? If you just simply go through it and if you can simply write it, you will get full marks. So those questions I made a list and I am going to give you this. So let's get started. So first I am going to discuss about chemical kinetics. As you can see, from chemical kinetics, one very direct short question, it is the Arrhenius equation. Okay, so they ask direct Arrhenius equation. So whenever you are writing the equation, please make sure you are mentioning the abbreviation. Okay, and another thing that I wanted to tell, that zero order and first order reaction alternative where it comes, you have to derive the entire thing. It comes out of 3 marks and make sure you are getting the full, because it's something that every student attempts and it's very easy. Okay, and here comes the factors on which the rate actually depends. These 2 or 3 factors you remember, and here comes effective collision between a molecule. There comes 2 criteria, 3 criteria that you have to remember. Activation energy related question, order and molecularity difference, and some question related to rate constants unit. These are very important for the chemical kinetics chapter, and there is no need to say that definitely some numerical problems are also important. So definitely I will make a separate video on that particular regard so that you can target the numerical and you can get the full marks out of it. So let's proceed for the next chapter. It is amines. So one by one question, you can see it is of 5 marker question. See, MCQ I am not providing here. To get the full detailed MCQ videos, you have to proceed with the long video of these questions. Yes, I made an individual video mentioning the answer, tips, tricks, concepts of all these questions in a single video. So a single video is a solution of all these questions. So please don't miss that. Okay, so here it's just the assembly of questions. So here just directly if I want to tell, some name reactions are very much important, like Gabriel thalamide reaction, carbylamine reaction, Hoffman bromamide degradation. These type of reactions are very important, and using Hindenburg reagent, how you should separate out primary, secondary and tertiary amines. These type of things are very important. Okay, direct question comes out of it. So here you can see already I already told this type of questions. Just don't forget to pause your screen and take a screenshot. Let's proceed. Here you can see it's all about the Gabriel thalamide. Here the next chapter is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. So here you can see some detailed questions are there. HVZ reaction is very important in this case. Some small question that is a little bit conceptual, like you can see methanol and ethanol, which will undergo aldol condensation, right? It's a little bit concept based, right? So for this particular case, I explained everything well in detail in the long video. Now let's see biomolecules. Here you can see reducing or non-reducing sugar, proper definition you are going to expect, and please make sure you are writing the examples. And here complete structural analysis of carbohydrate you have to study. From there, as you can see, I mentioned one question, few question I mentioned over there actually, like how will you prove that that particular carbohydrate has 6 carbon in it, right? Write the reaction with the HI, hydrogen iodide, right? Another thing is it is having one aldehydic unit, how will you prove it? Like, or indirectly they can ask, like if you react with the hydroxylamine, if carbohydrate reacts with hydroxylamine, what you can get out of it? So this type of thing. Okay, direct question will come, I'm telling you, direct question will come, but sometimes what they do, they use some different statements, right? But the questions are direct. Okay, so you can see this type of question. And Haworth projection, okay, Haworth projection of like anything it can come actually. Okay, so few we will discuss, expected that you will get the common out of it. And don't forget to learn the definition of anomers and epimers. So whenever, it's my suggestion, we are writing the definition of anomers or epimers, please make sure that you are making the structure, you are making the Haworth projection, and you are pointing out the anomeric carbon over there. So these are the things, overall this type of questions we are going to discuss. And finally, to know better, to know more, to get more information, you definitely have to like, subscribe, and definitely share with your friends. And don't forget to watch the long video. Thank you so much.